Good evening, all. My name is Ricky. So today we'll be understanding COPD through the lens of the microbiome. Let's see what is COPD. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is a progressive lung disease characterized by obstructed airflow that interferes with normal breathing. It encompasses conditions like emphysema and chronic bronchitis. What are the signs and symptoms? Shortness of breath, especially during physical activity, chronic cough, often with mucus, frequent respiratory infection, wheezing, fatigue, and chest tightness. Effect of food, diet type, and lifestyle. Let's see the diet type. A balanced diet rich in antioxidant, omega 3 fatty acids, whole grains can potentially help manage COPD symptoms. What are the lifestyle factors? Smoking cessation, regular physical activity, and avoiding pollutants contribute positively to lung health. Benefits or harm of diet. A healthy diet may reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, potentially preventing the progression of COPD. Conversely, a poor diet may exacerbate symptoms, can lead to higher inflammation loads. And the epidemiology of the disease, who is more likely to have it? COPD affects older adults, particularly those with a history of smoking or prolonged exposure to harmful pollutants like occupational exposure to dust and fumes. How do we get it? The main cause are long term exposure to irritants that damage the lungs, primarily tobacco smoke, but also air pollution and occupational hazards. How common is it? According to the WHO, COPD is a leading cause of morbidity and mortality globally, affecting over 300 million people worldwide with an increasing prevalence. Normal microbial population. A healthy lung microbiome typically includes species such as Streptococcus, Veillonella, and Prevotella. These bacteria help maintain lung health by supporting immune functions and preventing infections. The changes in microbial population in disease states. The microbial changes. In COPD, the lung microbiome often shows reduced diversity and may be dominated by pathogens like Haemophilus influenzae and Moraxella catarrhalis. Proposed mechanism of benefit or harm. An imbalanced microbiome can lead to chronic inflammation and increased susceptibility to infections, exacerbating COPD symptoms. In contrast, a balanced microbiome may help regulate immune responses. What are the research findings? How was this tested? A study by Bafadhel in 2017 analyzed the lung microbiome of COPD patients using sequencing technologies to identify bacterial population and assess their relationship with disease severity. The proof of claims. The study found that COPD patients exhibited significant microbial dysbiosis compared to healthy controls, correlating with clinical symptoms and inflammatory markers. Future research and impact. Future research needs longitudinal studies are essential to determine the causal relationship between microbiome composition, diet, and COPD progressions. Investigating the effects of probiotics or diet modification on lung health is also crucial. The impact. Understanding the microbiome's role could lead into new preventative or therapeutic strategies aimed at managing COPD and improving patient outcomes. The big takeaway. The relationship between diet, microbiome health, and COPD suggests that maintaining a balanced diet and promoting a healthy microbiome may play a critical role in managing and potentially preventing the disease. Thank you.